Ask about how to fix or how to solve AliExpress authentication failed. To know how to fix or how to solve AliExpress authentication failed app, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will enter to AliExpress as you see. Then you can go to You will go to first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.